Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. 1. It will boost your digestion. Lemon juice has a high concentration of citrate, a natural chemical that binds to heavy metals and prevents their absorption into the body. Heavy metals like lead, mercury, and arsenic are commonly found in our water supply due to industrialization and pollution. By starting your day with lemon juice, you can help remove these toxins from your system, which can improve your overall health and well-being. 2. It will clear up your skin. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin C helps to brighten the skin, reduce hyperpigmentation, and improve skin texture. It also has astringent properties, which can help tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 3. It will lower your blood sugar levels. The combination of lemon juice and honey can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming lemon juice and honey together can significantly reduce fasting blood sugar levels. 4. It will enhance your nutrient absorption. Lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C, which helps the body absorb iron more effectively. This is important because iron is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body, and a deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and other problems. Additionally, the citrate in lemon juice binds to iron and protects it from oxidation, which further enhances its bioavailability. 5. It will promote weight loss. Starting your day with lemon and honey can be a simple and effective way to kickstart your metabolism and promote weight loss. The pectin fiber in lemon juice is known to increase the feeling of fullness and reduce appetite, which can lead to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. Additionally, the combination of lemon juice and honey may help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is important for maintaining a healthy weight. 6. It will protect against heart disease. The flavonoids in lemon juice have been shown to have a positive impact on heart health. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the arteries and improve overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, the pectin in lemon juice can help lower cholesterol levels, which is an important risk factor for heart disease. 7. It will boost your immune system. Lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and diseases. Additionally, the flavonoids in lemon juice have been shown to have immune-boosting properties. 8. It will improve sleep quality. The relaxing properties of honey can help promote better sleep. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that consuming honey before bed can improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia symptoms. Additionally, the calming effects of lemon balm, a type of mint, can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation, which can lead to improved sleep. 9. It will reduce stress and anxiety. The smell of lemon has been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and body, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Inhaling lemon scent can help activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body down. Additionally, the relaxing properties of honey can help promote a sense of calm and well-being. 10. It will improve brain function. The flavonoids in lemon juice have been shown to have neuroprotective properties, which means they can help protect the brain from damage and improve cognitive function. One study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming lemon juice improved memory and reaction time in healthy adults. Additionally, the glucose and galactose in honey are important nutrients for maintaining healthy brain function. It's important to note that while these benefits are associated with consuming lemon and honey, they should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult your doctor before adding lemon and honey to your daily routine. Overall, starting your day with lemon and honey can be a simple and effective way to support your wellness goals and improve your overall health and well-being. Give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching and subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Stay healthy and happy. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding to your diet. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one. More stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.